Hi everyone, this is Coach Laudiaann, online Coach Laudiaann, and in this video, I wanted to do an update with my YouTube channel. Today is September the 2nd, 2020, and first thing I want to let you know, this is how my YouTube channel used to look like. I've actually did some changes, so this video I just want to show it to you what it looks like now. Okay, when I started this YouTube channel, let me tell you a little bit of story about it. When I started this YouTube channel, I started it in June 2020, and I love making videos. Right now, this YouTube channel has 101 videos. A lot of them I have recorded, so I have done a lot of recording on my off days from work. I'm actually building my online business again. I haven't been doing it for a whole year because I moved from Illinois to California. And because of the COVID, I'm actually now making this as a living again. I have been an affiliate marketer since 1998. I learned, I've grown, I've failed like everybody else, but I also learned how to get marketing tools. I know what to do, how to do things. So I can actually, my videos can actually show you what I'm using, what has been working for me. So everything I involved in this channel is what have been working for me. Let me scroll down so you can know what's in this channel. All right, guys. I have marketing systems that I use, the Power Lead system and the Lead Lightning. This is an excellent program because you got everything in a marketing system here. You got your autoresponder, you can create unlimited capture pages, you can link your business opportunity with these pages. But the only thing about this program, guys, you can get paid high commission payouts. They actually give you high commission payouts, and I love it because I make high commissions here. And not only that, I can make unlimited capture pages, and I can do everything. I have in my back office, I can create a blog, I can create unlimited subdomain names. You can do a lot of things with this marketing system, Power Lead system. So take a look at it because I have a review. My videos are current, so take a look at what can help your business grow. All right. If you guys need fresh leads, guys, don't go to Udemy or Solo Ads, and because I used to do the whole thing. I used to spend a lot of money just to get so many leads from out of an opt-in. Excuse me. But my lead gen secret here, when you join them, it's $30 a month, but you get 100 leads a day. Okay, so when somebody joins you, you get paid a little bit, but it increases to 200 leads a day. So I get 200 leads a day. You add it, I get 6,000 leads a month. Business opportunity leads. And you can mail out to the business opportunity leads. A lot of successful entrepreneurs are using this because this is a way that they can get their business, reach out to more people. They can get their business out there to more business opportunity seekers. So take a look at this. I actually love it. Here's another one. I do Guerrilla Marketing Pro. This is, you get everything. You can create unlimited capture pages. I just love their editor there. And I use it a lot. I use it very often. And you can post your YouTube video. You can promote anything. But take a look at this program because this is absolutely free. There's no monthly fee unless you upgrade and you want to use their autoresponder, but that's only like $10 or $25 a month. So that's not much, but you know what? There's a lot of information in this Guerrilla Marketing Pro. Okay, so these are marketing systems that I use. And down here, if you want to listen to some meditation motivational videos, I have some videos of me with my flute right there if you want to listen to me. But guys, I wanted to make this video just to make it quick. I don't want to talk forever, but this is me. I didn't have no mentor. I just started this on my own. But now I want to show you my new look, but there's a reason behind it, guys. I remember when I made this channel, I always looked up to people, but I prayed to my God that I needed somebody to help me become successful, because I was like, my mind was just going here and there, and what do I do next? And I used to look up to some of the people on YouTube that have built their channel, and they're actually up there, but it wasn't enough. So how I got to meet my new my mentors now, they're multimillionaires, of course. They are. This has been a blessing to me, and I'm gonna actually tell you a little story how I met them. How I met Wesley. I met Wesley by watching a video. I was going to the doctor's, and my phone kept popping up one of his videos, and I'm like, what the heck? I'm driving, I'm trying to close my phone, and he keeps talking and talking, and I couldn't stop him from talking, so I just kept listening to him. I put my phone beside my lap, and I just started listening to him. I said, what is this guy doing, yelling and screaming, and oh, and then he started showing you. I started watching him more, and then he started showing you how to make money online, and where he started, and why your mindset is so important to change. And that was the key, the mindset. I said, well, you know what, I need to look at this. So he started talking about his courses and the overnight millionaire course. So I decided to take a look at his courses, and I purchased them, because I thought, hey, this guy is for real. So, and when I started going through those courses, I started, like, some of the areas in my life, I said I didn't realize I had so much blockage and so much negativity going on in my mind. And finding out that's the reason why I couldn't get anywhere online, and I started getting breakthroughs. I started getting my dreams come back, things that have been buried where I really wanted to do, because my environment has drowned me. And then when he started saying about the paycheck, oh my gosh, am I worth that paycheck of what I'm getting? And I work so hard. Guys, I work in a hospital. I'm a certified nurse assistant. And right now, my health is at risk because of COVID. The COVID virus has spread all over the world. I see people dying left and right. I work with COVID patients. I have to put my gear on. I have to protect myself. And I am just not liking my job right now. I actually want to quit. I don't want to work it anymore. But guys, this is where Wesley came in. He rescued me. And now I'm really actually working on my meditation. He's reprogramming my mind, and it is so refreshing, guys. I can see my thinking is changing, and I started listening to the Done For You services, and how he got Ariella from not having anything, and now she's actually his assistant director, doing everything, and she is so successful. She's a multimillionaire in such a short time. But Ariella believes in meditation, and meditation was the key for her getting everything that she's ever wanted. But now she's working harder because she's helping people, right? So everybody has a vision, everybody has a dream. My dream is with my music. I want to touch people's lives. I'm a musician. I want to be able to go into the nursing homes one day and play my flute. I used to do flute therapy music. I used to do a lot of things with my music. And I don't have the freedom, I don't have the time and I so much want to do that. I want to be able to do more craft shows, go on the road, make things and sell things to people, and some I give away. I want to be able to do the things that I really want to do, and that's to be free to spread my gift to everyone all over the world. Okay, guys, let me go to my YouTube channel now. It looks like this. I changed the name. This is kind of plain right here, but now it looks like this. So I'm going to click into it. I think I have to. It's been loading really slow. This is Wesley right here, guys. I love this guy. But my page now looks like this. Okay, this is the new look. When I was in a Zoom meeting with Ariella, she said to make sure you put your name here. So I actually put it on my new YouTube channel art. I put my name up here, but I didn't want to change the coach, Laudiaann. So I just put mindset successful coach Laudiaann, because I do coach people, guys. I coach people to help them with tools, to give them opportunities how to make money. So that's what my channel is about. But everything about Wesley and Ariella is going to be in this first column right here. So please like, share, comment if you're part of the Done For You services. This is where you're going to find them here, because I post all their videos here. I post myself and my results and my testimony with them. And if you go below, I've put my meditation motivational videos here. Now, guys, you can actually grow your channel by adding other people's videos. All you got to do is share to your playlist. Let me show you an example, okay? Let me just open this one. All right, I don't want to have to let it load. My YouTube, my internet is kind of slow. But here, this is how you can add your videos on your channel. You have to have a playlist, guys. So here where you see save, you click on that, and then these are actually all my playlists. So make sure you guys build a playlist. I can actually show you guys in another video how to do that if you don't know anything about the YouTube and how to operate YouTube and use the tools. But this is where I click here, and it actually ends up into you could add it to your channel. So that's what I did. Let me go back. I hear a lot of clicking. I think it must be Facebook. Here you go. See, and here it is. See, they're added into my meditation motivational videos. All right. So I have a lot. You can go all the way here. And if you guys want to listen to me and my flute, here it is. Flute music by Laudiaann Sylvest. You can take a look at that. I'm gonna close that player. My internet is just not operating right now really well, but then the rest I've already explained to you. My marketing system, the leads, business opportunity tools that I use for my business, and there you go, guys. And I hope you guys all like this. This is a change for me, but I kind of like it. I kind of put up. I got not put up, but I got my words are tumbling. But I just came up with something real quick. That's what I was trying to say, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'm kind of getting hungry. I need some energy, and I need to eat something right now. So I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll talk to you soon. And thank you for watching my video. All right. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button only if you like my videos and you're going to keep watching my videos. Otherwise, just leave a comment and like. Okay? Take care, guys, and love you, and talk to you soon. Bye.